So when you're doing a restoration on a vehicle and you're fitting panels and everything, you don't want to scratch stuff up, you end up using a lot of painter's tape. And when I say a lot, I mean a lot of painter's tape. I've had it over the cowl, over the fender, over the radiator. I've had it all over this Jeep. As you can see right here, I still got a little bit here. Here, you know, fitting stuff up, getting ready to install both doors. Get the driver's passenger side door first. It'll do the driver's side door here in a little bit. But I just thought I'd share. You use a lot of painter's tape. Kind of give you an idea. I mean, it's all over the place. Anyways, not only do you use painter's tape, you use different things to protect the paint. Microfiber towels, more painter's tape. It's just what you do when you're working on these things. Anyways, I just thought I'd share.